Goodbye, garden. We all were leaving. We're going to our farm, our family farm, with the cabin and lots of hot drinks and coziness, and mom and dad, which is the best part, of course, and Josh. Giggles. He's just spraying. I don't think we can see it, but he's just spraying water for fun. What a crazy guy. So I am excited. Hopefully all that was focused on my face. If not, you know what I look like, and it's not too special. So actually it is special. You know why? Because I believe that God creates each person specifically, uniquely, beautifully, with different talents and all kinds of cool characteristics. We just have to figure those out. We have to discover those, and we need to see each other as being valuable. No matter background, history, what's going on, each person is unique. Wow, I don't know where that came from, but that was good. Okay, folks, I will see you, I guess, tomorrow. But yeah, we're headed out. Just wanted to record the fact that we're leaving, and next video is gonna be on the farm, on the awesome farm. Home sweet home. Got Mother Dearest here and the Giggles, Josh man, and whoa,
Father Dearest.
Father Dearest, whoa, and Ben's Dearest. Wait, no.
Yes,
Yours truly, Dearest.
I'm Dearest.
Dear.
Oh,
It's so good to be home.
Man, you are tall.
I am tall.
She didn't say that about me.
Supper's ready.
Just saying.
Oh man, look at this good food mom made. Honey mustard chicken. Whatever that. Oh man.
You got a good salad here.
Looking good, mom. Oh my goodness. Home sweet home. Tell you what, I've missed this place. Oh yeah. There's all the blueberries over there. See all the blueberries? Oh yeah. If there's any little guys in there, probably not. In springtime there'll be little birds in there. This is where I grew up. Can't even believe it. It's a place that I call home. But even more than calling this place home is my family. I mean, without my family being here, it would just be a place. But it really has all the memories of childhood growing up here. I used to go all up and down those mountains, climbing up and down, hunting, fishing. There's a creek that runs along the bottom, and I used to go fishing all the time, and trapping and all kinds of fun stuff. So honored and privileged to get to grow up here. Man. What a gift. Oh, got my coffee here. It's good times. Good times. Good coffee right there. Thank you, Josh. Giggles made that coffee. Sometimes he just makes some good coffee. Good boy, Copper. Good boy. He loves to be scratched. Good boy. Hey, big guy, come over here. Sit, sit. He's so cuddly. Look at this guy. Look at him. Look at him. Copper, good boy. He's a farm dog for sure. He's been a good guy for a while now. He's actually Copper the third because we've had that same male line the whole way through of golden retrievers. But yeah, he's a good man. Good boy. Good boy. He would sit here for hours. Well, I say let's take some coffee here, and I'll give you a little bit of a farm tour of where I grew up and the different main areas. While it's not raining too bad right now, it's kind of sprinkling right now. So let's go walk around and have some fun. Where my grandma used to live, and walk around here. There's the front. This big old poplar tree has been here for a long time. It's a cool tree. These pillars right here, I built those this summer. Kind of cool looking. Kind of cool looking. These guys have gotten little bit out of hand. They've got some weeds in them. They've got some blackberry bushes that have gone inside. There's a way to avoid this that we didn't know when we planted these, but I know now, and I'll tell you that later on. But for now, we're gonna be showing y'all probably today or tomorrow how to clear those up, how to get them back to where they're manageable and sustainable. But man, you can see there's a lot of potential here. So much blueberry potential. A lot of good memories here. See these honeysuckle vines, they just grow up right in the middle of them. It's a nuisance. Blackberry bushes there, you can see there's an apple tree there. But it's amazing to see how this has been transformed over the years. It used to all be like that, just all crazy and overgrown, and a lot of sage grass. And the soil here has historically been very acidic and low nutrient content. It's amazing to see the soil improvement over the years as we made these rows going through. Right there we cut it in a little bit, but for the most part, like right through here, all we did was plant these rows. But what happens is the water is coming down, you know, it rains just like now, the water's coming down the hill, but it gets caught right here. It starts to build up. You can kind of see the soil if you look at it. You'll see how there's a bit of it's coming straight down, and then there's a bit of a leveling, and then it comes back down again. That is not because we dug it out. That's because all that debris right there and all those plants catch the water as it's coming down, and all the nutrients start to build up right where those plants are. Copper might find something. What you got, Copper? What you got, buddy? Find something? Huh? Find a mouse? You might find something in there. He's a hunter. Just look at that color. Beautiful. Beautiful blueberry bushes. This is the bench of all benches. Come up here. I won't sit on it today, but and some seed fell on good soil. That's one of the themes of our farm. It's starting to really rain, folks. Copper's getting wet. Itchy. Hey Copper, you getting wet? Huh? Getting wet, buddy? I'm feeling it too. It's getting me. Let's go back to the house. I think we're gonna head back, but I'll get some cool pictures and video for later. We'll be coming back around tomorrow, but y'all, there's a lot of potential on this farm, and so beautiful. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. We used to have chickens running through there. In the summers we have cattle going through all the fields. We used to have sheep too, up top here. Our plan is to do goats and potentially some sheep up here to kind of clear some of that area up. We got a strip of forest up all the way through there that really is a good shelter. Got some good firewood from there. Like I said, everything's overgrown. We haven't been here on the farm to take care of it, but we have some grapevines going through here. As you can see, they're starting to take off. They're fairly young. But really all of this needs to have either plastic or mulch underneath it. It's kind of funny coming back on the farm because I see what needs to be done. I see what needs to be changed, but just don't have the time. I don't live here, but I do see more than ever what needs to be done. Growing up here, everything was just always the same, you know, and I didn't quite know what to do. But now, coming back in with the experience I have now, I'm like, man, this could be done, and it would just fix all the problems. See, all this stuff is overgrown. Doesn't need to be this way. Sometimes that's what we need, though, is to leave where everything is familiar, go strike out and do something different. Learn from other people, see other experiences, see other people's work and efforts, and just find out that, you know what, I haven't been doing everything right on my farm or my garden, or my landscape, edible landscape, or windowsill garden. There's something to be said about going out and seeing other people's work and seeing other people's farms and learning from other folks, and coming back, and you'll bring some treasures back to your own farm or your own edible landscape that you would have never thought of before if you didn't have that experience. That's one of the reasons I've traveled to Africa and other places so much, is I want to get other experiences, you know, outside my sphere of normal experience. I want to leap outside and learn from other folks, see what they're doing. This is where I used to have my garden. If you want to see a video on that, there's a video, I'll pop it up in the top. But my dad and I walked around and talked about how this used to be my whole big garden. Here's our pond. We've got some fish, but it's really not amazing yet. Still trying to figure out the whole fish game. Hey, big guy. Good boy. Let's just sit here for a little bit and listen to the birds and appreciate creation. It's a fun little landscape that I helped install this summer. Got it all in. Most of the plants are recycled plants from other job sites that I'd been doing landscaping, and just brought them in. The rocks are from our farm. Of course, nothing's really growing right now, but it's a pretty spot. And this right here is a big old peach tree. Produced pretty good this year. We need to prune it though. And right up there is the barn. I guess we'll show you all the barn later. But yeah, that's a little quick tour. Super fun times, wonderful place. Y'all have a wonderful Christmas Eve. I'll see you tomorrow. I've got a gift for you all. I wanted to, you know, Christmas time is a time to be given. I wanted to bless you all with something. Honestly, don't even know what it is yet, but I'm thinking it'll come to my mind what it is I can give you all, just as a, from Garden Guy to you, just a gift of. Are you drinking some water, man? He's a loud drinker. Trying to talk over here, buddy. Anyways, long story short, I would love to bless you all with a gift, Christmas gift. So that'll be popping out tomorrow in tomorrow's video. We'll see what it ends up being. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go inside, relax with family, and get to have some coffee, maybe some tea later. My mama's cooking. Whoo, she can cook like nobody's business. And yeah, read some books. Hopefully we'll get into maybe some projects. My dad wanted to show you all some of the birdhouses he's made around and the different types of birds that come in because of those. So that'll be a fun thing down the road. But yeah, the next little bit of videos, probably the next 4 or 5 videos, will be of us on the farm. So that'll be fun to look forward to. We'll be doing some blueberry projects. Y'all, I wish y'all could all be here and just enjoy the farm, but alas, we cannot. Y'all have a good time with your Christmas crew, whoever that is, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye, Copper. We'll see you later, buddy. Good job being a good dog. It's snowing, it's snowing. Yes, I love when it snows. Perfect Christmas time weather. That's what I'm talking about. It's beautiful. Snowing, Josh. It's snowing.
It is definitely snowing.
Cheers, man.
Here, land in my cup.
Cheers, Josh. Cheers.
Oh.
We had the same noise. I feel like I need a beanie too. My turn for the beanie.
My beanie's cooler.
Where have you beanie, man?
Actually,
my beanie is cooler.
My beanie's warmer.
How's everybody doing out there? Freezing cold, but feels
Yeah,
great out
don't
here.
have shoes on the freezing cold floor.
But we're so glad it's snowing for Christmas time. It's Christmas Eve, and what can I say? It's perfect.
Here,
Weather.
I'm trying to catch snowflakes. Okay.
Oh, you
Snowflake.
got one.
Oh, died.
Alright, y'all. I think we're gonna peace out for today. Hopefully it snows again tomorrow.
Peace
But Googles is here. And
Googles.
Googles.
Get it right.
Giggles. And hope you all are having a good Christmas Eve. We'll see you on Christmas Day. And yeah.
Yeah.
Peace out.
Peace out.
One last cheers.
Cheers and then cheers. Ready?
Let's cheers them. 3,
Ready?
2, 1.